4 proven hacks to fade hyperpigmentation fast from Mazzy Beauty and Cosmetics. Is a dark spot ruining all your pictures? You've tried everything, even putting potato slices on your face, and it's still there. I'm going to show you 4 insane hacks that will literally delete those spots, and they work fast. 1. Sunscreen Glow Envy Cream. Hack number 1. This is the most important one. Do not skip it. Wear this cream every single day. I don't care if it's raining or you're inside, you have to wear it. This literally stops the sun from making your spots darker. 2. Vitamin C, the morning glow getter. Hack 2. We're using vitamin C. Every single morning, you put this 10 to 20% vitamin C serum on before your sunscreen. This stuff is a beast that blocks the enzyme that creates pigment. In just 4 weeks, you'll start to see it fading. 3. Fast Knuckle Eraser or Knuckle Hand Cream. Hack 3. This is like hitting fast forward on your hands, pushing the dark spotted cells out of the way. But you have to start slow. You won't believe how well it works. 4. Vito Skin Oil, the quiet overachiever. Hack 4. This next one is an absolute game changer. This stuff is insane. It literally moisturizes your skin's surface. After 6 weeks of this, your skin will look unbelievably even. If you're loving these hacks, destroy the like button and comment which one you're going to try first. I'm literally going to reply to every single person who comments. And that's it. 4 insane hacks to completely erase your dark spots. Start with just the sunscreen. Then add 1 new product every week so you don't overwhelm your skin. Your future self will literally thank you. If you learned anything, subscribe right now and hit the bell because you do not want to miss what we are doing in the next video. It's gonna be crazy.